In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download OBS Studio on Windows 10 or 11 and guide you through the installation process. OBS Studio is a powerful, free, open-source tool used for video recording and live streaming. Whether you're a gamer looking to share your play with the world, a creator wanting to improve your content, or a professional who needs a reliable recording solution, OBS Studio is a versatile piece of software that's well worth your attention. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get it up and running on your computer. First, you'll want to navigate to your preferred web browser and head over to the official OBS Studio website by typing in obsproject.com. This is the official hub for everything OBS related, where you can ensure you're downloading the most recent and safest version of the software. It's really important to download from official sources to avoid any potential security risks. Once you're on the website, you'll see options for different operating systems, but since we're focusing on Windows, go ahead and click on the Windows icon. This will direct you to the section where you can download the installer specifically tailored for Windows systems, ensuring compatibility and smooth operation on your computer. After clicking the Windows icon, you'll find a prominent button labeled Download. Go ahead and click that button. This will initiate the downloading process, and you'll see the file start to download at the bottom of your browser window. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the download is complete, you'll have an executable file ready to be run. Now that you've got the installer, go to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves downloaded files and double-click on the OBS Studio installer file. This will bring up the installation wizard, which will guide you through the remainder of the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions, and when prompted, click Next to continue with the installation. You'll have the opportunity to customize the installation if you wish, but for most users, the default settings work perfectly fine. Just proceed by clicking Next and then Install. Once installation is completed, you can launch OBS Studio right from the installer by clicking Finish, which might also give you the option to open the application immediately. And there you have it. OBS Studio is now installed on your Windows 10-11 system and ready to help you create or stream amazing video content. To recap, navigate to obsproject.com, select Windows, download the installer, and follow the installation prompts. It's really just that simple, and with these few steps, you're all set up. So go ahead, open OBS Studio, and explore its myriad of features to start creating amazing videos and live streams. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!